celebrate 20 years of excellence. Now, as we celebrate excellence, our founder and CEO, Mr. Almadoka.
All the people here today has contributed directly to the journey of Resolve IT in different ways. Don't see problem, rather as a solution. 20 years of unbroken business. Resolve IT vision is enabling individuals and businesses to unlock their full potential. And that's how I would realize my vision. By leveraging technology, employ the community, develop our staff so they can become empowered and financially free, and extend that, create a network or an army. That is how we end up doing what we are doing today, helping so many people, participate in so many community and corporate social responsibility activities. We have associations like the MSME Alliance, when we have loyalty customers. When all of those people step up and contribute, then you get the result of what we are seeing here today.
Please help me welcome Minister Harbin Hill.
It's a great pleasure to be here. The role of information and communication technologies, ICT, has been vital in shaping the development of our society, hospitality industry, the travel and vacation sectors, business processing, outsourcing, offshore education, logistics, transshipment, manufacturing, mining and energy, agriculture, tourism, of course, and infrastructure. We are looking to companies like Resolve IT, 2 decades of innovation, dedication to growing businesses with technology, and have demonstrated excellence in the IT industry. After 20 years, they are still in the 20% that is successful. You give Almando and his team a big round of applause.
And let us work towards another 20 years.
There's a quiet storm, and it never felt like this before. There's a quiet storm, that is you. There's a quiet storm, and it never felt this hot before. Giving me something that's taboo. You give me the sweetest taboo. That's why I'm in love with you. You're giving me the sweetest taboo. That's why I think you're just too good for me. Do anything for you. I'd stand out in the rain. Anything you want me to do. Don't let it slip away. There's a quiet storm, and it never felt like this before. There's a quiet storm, think it's you. There's a quiet storm, and it never felt this hot before. Giving me something that's taboo. You give me the sweetest taboo. That's why I'm in love with you. You're giving me the sweetest taboo. That's why I think you're just too good for me. And got the